Looking for the best action cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light that looks better than what you get from the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Osmo's video resolution isn't as ambitious as the Hero 13's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240, and it outperforms any GoPro for stills with 40MP RAW DNG and JPG capture. We love its large, dual touchscreens, 2-hour battery life at 4K 60, and waterproofing for depths up to 59 feet. Who it's for? Adventurers. The Action 5 Pro lives up to its name. It is built to withstand drops, is waterproof down to 59 feet, and is compact enough to mount on a helmet or skateboard, allowing you to capture your outdoor activities. Content creators, vloggers will appreciate the Osmo's fantastic digital stabilization, good low-light recording quality, dual touchscreens, and excellent battery life. It's also compatible with DJI's popular Mic 2, Mic 3, and Mic Mini wireless microphones. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black may not be the latest from the action cam powerhouse, but we see it as the best value option in the company's current lineup. For $60 less than the newer Hero 13, you get video that's just as good, with excellent slow motion options, 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, plus 10-bit color in HDR, SDR, or flat profiles. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. Who it's for? Adventurers. The Hero 12 Black is small, tough, and waterproof down to 33 feet, so you can mount it, abuse it, or take it snorkeling. Slow motion video is a strong point. It pushes 120 frames per second frames at 4K, good enough for a 4x slow-mo effect on a standard 30 frames per second timeline. Content creators. With 10-bit video and an uncommon 8:7 aspect ratio sensor, the Hero 12 Black is a good action cam to use for vlogs and social media. You can pull out both vertical and widescreen footage from the same clip. Number 3. GoPro Max2. The Max2 combines GoPro's expertise in action camera design with dual lens capture. It records 360-degree video at up to 8K 30 quality, tightly integrates with GoPro's quick smartphone app and subscription service, and serves as a traditional action cam with single-lens 5.6K 60/4K 100 recording capabilities. It earns extra points for durability. You can take it snorkeling at 16-foot depths without a case, and if you scratch or crack either of its lens guards, you can replace them in the field without needing extra tools. Who it's for? Creative editors. Like other dual-lens cameras, the Max2 captures a 360-degree spherical image, allowing you to take its footage into the editing room and add pans, zooms to guide viewers through the scene. Additionally, it supports creative reframing shots, such as the popular Little Big Planet projection. Adventurers. The Max2 is built tougher than other 360-degree cameras, allowing it to withstand drops and submerge underwater without worry. You can even change its lens guards without any tools, so it's easy to perform quick repairs in the field in the event that you crack or scratch either lens. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is the best 360-degree camera for creators on a budget. Its dual lenses capture the entire world, and a smartphone editing app lets you creatively reframe the spherical video to draw attention to a subject. The X3 records at 5.7K resolution, so it can withstand reframing edits, and the camera also features a single-lens 4K capture mode for traditional 16:9 video. It's waterproof too, so you can use it for action scenes and take it as deep as 33 feet without worry. Who it's for? 360 video fans on a budget. The X3 is a couple of generations old, so it's now selling at a steep discount versus the newer X5. If you want to try out spherical video to see if you like it, the X3 is a good camera with which to start. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. The Osmo Action 4 isn't the latest from DJI, but it is an exceptionally good action camera, especially when you get it on discount. It records crisp 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with standard and HDR color, plus its oversized Type 1/1.3 sensor captures brighter video in dim light than comparable cameras from GoPro. Like other action cameras, it is built tough, can be used underwater, and is small enough to mount on a vehicle or helmet. Who it's for? Budget shoppers. The Action 4 is selling for less than its $289 retail price, making it a good option if you're trying to curb your spending, especially considering its nearly equivalent performance to the newer Action 5 Pro.